Cash advance apps can help you pay for things until you get paid again, so you don't have to take out a payday loan. 33% of Americans have now used at least one of these apps, so they are growing quickly. It doesn't matter what your credit score is, and there's no interest and only a small fee. Some people can send money right away. Number 1. Albert. Best sign-up bonus offer. Though Albert's primary services are banking and financial services, the app also offers small cash advances of up to $250. Albert users who set up an account with direct deposit can also access their paycheck up to 2 days early, which can be lifesaver if you're struggling to make it to payday. Albert's best feature is that it is currently offering a sign-up bonus of $150. When you're looking for a paycheck advance, that kind of bonus can make a big difference in your bank balance. To be eligible, new users must make a direct deposit of at least $500 within 45 days of signing up, and every 30 days for 90 consecutive days. Users must also spend at least $200 on qualifying goods and services with their Albert debit card every 30 days during the same 90-day period. Number 2. Bridget. Best for help with budgeting. Established in 2019, Bridget is a fast-growing company that offers cash advances to eligible individuals. On Bridget's BBB page, here, it has a B rating with 57/5 stars and 8 customer reviews. However, the app has 4.5 on Google Play with 52,000 plus reviews. It also has 4.8 on the Apple App Store with 140,000 plus reviews. Up to $250 in cash advance, funds available within 1 business day. No credit check or interest. Option to extend the due date on the first loan once without penalty, with up to 3 delayed payments with good borrowing history. Optional automated advances as part of the Bridget Plus plan, $10 monthly fee. Flexible repayment, instant deposit, credit monitoring and identity theft, insurance through the Bridget Plus plan. Free financial resources, X tips and ways to earn more cash. Number 3. Chime. Best for flexibility. Chime is a fast-growing fintech company with overwhelmingly positive reviews on Google Play or Apple's app stores. On BBB, it has a B rating and is not accredited. Up to $200 cash advance, interest-free. Same-day access to funds via direct deposit. No credit or bad credit is okay. Full-service bank account for things like cash advance and online bill pay. No overdraft, monthly or other hidden fees. Provides banking alerts to let you know when you get paid. Optional to set up automatic savings for a portion of each paycheck. Works in conjunction with other apps while you build financial/credit history. 24/7 customer support. Number 4. Clio. Best for building credit. Clio is designed as the sassy alternative. The idea is to make it seem like you're talking to a friend rather than an algorithm. In addition to small cash advances of up to $100, Clio also offers budgeting help, credit building accounts, and can identify steps you can take to raise your credit score. Helps with setting up budgets and establish goals. Can help discourage overspending. Earn cash back when shopping through the app. Automatic saving. Payday advances, but only if you subscribe to the premium plan. Privacy protections. Number 5. FloatMe. Best for speed. FloatMe will loan or float you $50 until payday. The money can be used however you like. FloatMe's paycheck advance cap is no joke. The maximum advance is $50. The money is then transferred to your bank account. FloatMe connects to your bank account and analyzes your transactions. If you meet their criteria, you will be approved for a float. FloatMe is only available to people who are employed and can verify that they are employed by W-2 employers. Number 6. Clover. Best for personal security. Clover says its mission is to give everyone access to modern financial services by leveraging their most valuable asset, their data. We don't sell your personal information, ever. We keep your data secure, they pledge. Clover offers small cash advances of up to $100 according to information on the website, or $150 according to information in the app. Clover uses a point system to increase the limit users can borrow. Points begin to accrue the moment the customer signs up, and they continue to increase with regular app use. Clover charges a membership fee of $2.49 per month, and to avoid any fees on your cash advance, you may have to wait up to 3 business days to get the money. If you need cash more quickly, you'll have to pay an express fee based on how much money you need to transfer. The smallest transfers will cost $1.99, while the largest can cost up to $14.98. Ultimately, if you find yourself relying heavily on short-term personal finance options like cash advances, you may need to step back and look at the bigger picture. You may need to explore a longer-term fix like debt consolidation, a personal loan, or finding a side hustle.